Today's unboxing is on the Tomica 50th anniversary special collab between Tomica and the 50th anniversary livery designed by the car maker. I did an unboxing video for the very first Honda Civic Type R. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And last month, Tomica released the GR Supra collab between Tomica and Toyota. Box design is very similar to the Honda Civic Type R in standard square packaging. You can see the side profile of the Supra on the side of the box. When open, you can see the actual casting that's enclosed in the blister. Also a short rationale from the Toyota designer on the 50th anniversary livery design. Design-wise, it's pretty sleek. Can't say much for the finishing. I think many areas need to be improved this time. You can see the huge 50th anniversary logo type is splashed across the hood. Also applied is the futuristic honeycomb livery on the body. What I really like is how the Tomica logo that is integrated with the honeycomb design. I feel it's very nice, very sleek. Also love the color overlap in the sort of grey and black tone. Also a 50th anniversary reverse white logo at the side. On the rear is a series of logos from Tomica and Toyota. Likewise for the reverse, you can see the smart integration of Tomica logo into the honeycomb livery. Like all the other GR Supra, no opening parts with standard factory suspension. Front headlight is painted in grey, maybe to cut costs. And you can see the quality control is terrible on close-up. I feel the 50th anniversary logo is a tad too big and too hard sell. The two 50th anniversary livery from Honda and Toyota sits perfectly together. However, in terms of aesthetics and design, I still prefer the Type R. How about you? More Tomica unboxing coming right up. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.